So hello brothers and sister. We are now in nature. We had motor rides, and what I wanna talk about now is about the basic fundamentals when it comes to driving motorcycle. Cause uh, no one really talks about that much about how to ride a motorcycle or any kind of vehicle, especially motorcycle, because you need really a balance. And I think that what I'm gonna be teaching is not really on the mechanics on how you drive, but it's really much more of, I think I wanna talk about much more of the psychology, um, and the more of your inner psyche when you're driving, no? Because sometimes we get carried away, especially when we're riding big bikes with a lot of CC, and we need to be careful when we're riding very fast vehicle, because every split second, when you're driving fast 100 kilometers per hour, just just a second before that, when a dog crosses the road or someone crosses the road, you need to be really sharp on how you decide, how you are quick. So I think that's why I always talk about balance, because it's really about balance, not just the balance on how you balance yourself, your equilibrium, your center, your body, and the motorcycle, but as well your mind. Is your state, your balance is your state balance in a way that, um is your pulse, are you connected with your pulse, on how fast your pulse is, your heartbeat. And we don't really talk that much about those kinds of stuff, but it's really important to understand and be humble and grounded as well on our belief, on our skill, on how we can drive. Because especially for beginners, we get caught up, and we forget to find our center. And it's really important to meditate first before you go rides, go take action, go far places and travel. Because that is the most important thing, your balance, not just within your body, but also your mental state, your mind, and also your spirituality, your intention on where you're going. Because if your intention is going to your loved one, to your family, you have much more of, um understanding of how delicate life is. And if we forget that, by sometimes we get caught up with our ego and our pride and our fire, and we boost our energy there, but sometimes it's corrupted. It's not the harmonious way. We want to ride, we want to travel, we want to journey in a harmonious way, right? So that's what I wanna share to you, just a short clip, about my understanding about driving motorcycle. Bless and love.